In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the branch of your project in Vercel. First, log into your Vercel dashboard and open the project you want to work with. Now, go to Environment section and then Production. This is where Vercel lets you manage branches and environment settings for your deployments. Once you're in Production tab, you'll see your current branches and deployment settings. From here, you can select the branch you want to deploy or switch to. If you have multiple branches in your Git repository, they should all appear here. Simply choose the branch you want and save your changes. After saving, Vercel will start deploying your project using the new branch, and you can monitor the deployment progress right in the dashboard. One thing I really like is that this makes testing different versions super easy without touching your main branch. And that's how you change a branch in Vercel using the Environment tab. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more great tutorials.